Hi there, I'm James Blackman, the author of StompAI, the AI-powered foot pedal assistant. StompAI is essentially a voice-to-text transcription service that runs using your own machine's hardware. And it came about because it would be kind of cool to be able to play guitar at the same time as coding. Now we only have to talk to large language models to code. We can also use it to control various applications. So I can say, for example, next slide. And StompAI will tell the machine to advance to the next slide on the PowerPoint presentation. So StompAI is going to enhance your workflow with an intuitive speech-to-text capabilities. And unlike a lot of other these type of things, you haven't got to put in a trigger word, or you haven't got to wait for awkward interruptions. It's only going to listen when your foot's on the pedal. And when you let go of the pedal, it's not listening anymore. So you're in complete control. And you can use it to engage in friendly voice-to-voice conversations with the LLM of your choice. Next slide. So it really came about as part of the AI Solutions Architect course when one of the teachers was talking about playing guitar and would it be cool to be able to sort of not have to put the guitar down all the time. And I came up with the idea of using a MIDI foot pedal. The application runs locally using either AI's Whisper or NVIDIA's Parakeet. Transcription services. They're both running locally on my NVIDIA hardware. Very quick, very accurate. And for the LLM, you can choose from a variety of existing models from OpenAI or run ones locally using Ollama. And you can extend the functionality of StompAI to do really whatever you need it to do. Next slide. So the use case is obviously primarily for coding, especially vibe coding, but you can use it as a dictation tool for practically anything, whether you're using Discord or WhatsApp or writing an email. As far as writing email as well, I've got a mode on there where you can take your raw transcription and ask LLM to increase its professionality. It's really good for writing an email. If you're a musician, obviously you haven't got to take your hands off the fretboard. You can just keep playing. But also, if you're in the healthcare industry or really any industry where you don't want to put your hands on a keyboard, your hands might be filled doing something. You might have dirty hands. You can use this to communicate with your software. Next slide. So some simple examples. Let's have a quick look. Workspace 4. ChatGPT. That's going to open up a ChatGPT window, and we can say something like, "Show me the Python code to generate the Fibonacci sequence." And there we go. It's as easy as that. I mean, I'm still playing guitar. Okay, that's really interesting. That's all good stuff. Let's do some vibe coding. Workspace 5. Okay, so I've got Claude open, and I can say, find a bug in the code and tell me about it. Oh, great. Okay, so Claude's off doing our work for us, and we can play guitar for a bit. So let's have a think. Workspace 6. Show me the lyrics for Old Man by Neil Young. Oh, that's a good one. Oh man, look at my life. 24 and there's so much more. Live alone in a paradise that makes me think of two. Love lies such a cost. Give me things that don't get lost. Like a coin that won't get tossed, rolling home to you. Ah, lovely. That was fun. Let's go back to the coding. Workspace 5. Okay, looks like it's found a bug in the UI.rs file. Good. We'll take a look at that maybe a bit later. Workspace 7. Yeah, okay. I can demo talk mode, but I think I'm going to run out of time. So if you want to see that, then shout out to me later. Next slide. So the roadmap, I only started building this thing during the spring course for the AI Solutions Architect from ELVTR. I've written it in Rust and currently runs only on Linux, but hopefully I can find the time to develop it to run on Windows in the summer, and in the autumn I can get a Mac version running, and then maybe even a mobile version in the winter. Next slide. Okay, that's about it. I hope you've enjoyed watching the demo. It's been pretty fun to sort of build this application, to be fair, and there's lots more applications for it, but the cool thing is I'm actually using it myself for all kinds of things, and every time I come up with a new application for it, I can put it in there. Cool. Thanks a lot. Thanks for listening. And I got a phone call just at the wrong time.